Today I will show you how to make a toilet paper roll cover from the 7th issue of Passap magazine. It may be the accent of your bathroom. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 80 needles on the front bed of the machine. Place the edge springs on the last working needles and close the latches. Now raise 80 needles on the back bed. Place the edge springs on the last working needles. It should look like this. Set both locks to N and the stitch size to 3. Insert the orange strippers and take the first color yarn. I'm using 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Now knit 1 row. Set both locks to CX and increase the stitch size to 4. Knit 2 rows. Take a piece of yarn and lay it on top of the stitches. Pull both ends between the beds and tie them together. Now you can attach a weight to the loop. You can see up close. Now set both locks to N and the stitch size to 5. Knit 1 row to finish the cast on. Set both locks to CX. Remove the orange strippers and insert the black ones. Rotate the racking handle anti-clockwise to its upper position and knit 4 rows. Clear the row counter and take the second color yarn. I'm using 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Knit 20 rows without changing the settings on the locks. Now set the front lock to BX, the stitch size to 3.5 and press the left arrow key. Set the back lock to BX, the stitch size to 3.5 and press both arrow keys. Raise pushers on the row working needles and arrange them in groups of 4. The first group must be in working position. You can see up close. Now raise pushers under the working needles on the back bed. Use the orange ruler and arrange them in 1-to-1 division. You can see up close. The leftmost pusher is in resting position. Rotate the racking handle clockwise to its lowest position, knit 2 rows and take the first color yarn. Knit 2 rows and take the second color yarn. Repeat these steps until you knit a total of 136 rows. Now set both locks to N. Remove the black strippers and insert the orange ones. Take the second color yarn and rotate the racking handle anti-clockwise to its upper position. Make sure to put all pushers on the front bed out of working position. Then put all pushers on the back bed out of working position. Use the double eye bodkin tool and transfer the stitches in 1-to-1 division. Have you seen or used a toilet paper cover before? I have never seen or used one. I will be happy if you tell me that in the comment section. I'm almost ready. Put the empty needles on both beds out of working position. You can tap on the needles to tighten the yarn. It should look like this. Now knit 10 rows. Set the stitch size to 2.5 on both sides of the lock and knit 10 rows. You may need to make a test piece to check if your machine can knit with that stitch size setting. On the front lock, increase the stitch size to 4. Set the back lock to GX. Remove the orange strippers and insert the black ones. Rotate the racking handle one full turn anti-clockwise. The stitches must be opposite to each other. Use the double eye bodkin tool and transfer all stitches to the opposite needles on the front bed. Put all empty needles out of working position and knit 2 rows. Take the yarn from the lock and cut it. Thread it into the double eye bodkin tool and sew off the stitches. Don't forget to remove the weight because it can fall and hit you. That's what the piece will look like. Cut the yarn piece and pull it out. Now you have to fold it and sew both sides together. It should look like this. Pull the cast-off tail to gather the top part, then hide it between the stitches. Now you can insert the toilet paper roll. It should look like this. As you can see, it is the perfect fit. Now take a piece of I-cord and tie it around. Tell me, do you like it? Now I will share some additional information. The circumference of the toilet paper roll is 35 cm or 14 inches. The height of the roll is 10 cm or 4 inches. And the diameter of the roll is 11 cm or 4.3 inches. The length of the I-cord is 81 cm or 32 inches. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.